Hello everybody, it's Pirain from Next Home PPM Realty. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're in Imperial, PA at a new construction development that encompasses 4 patio homes. 2 of them you can see are already under roof and the 2 behind me are currently underway. These are 2,300 square foot units. Standards include concrete driveway, concrete rear patio, instantaneous hot water tanks, and so much more. Come on inside, let's go take a look. Once inside these new construction patio homes, you're going to enjoy over 2,300 square feet of living. And on the first floor, you're going to have your master bedroom with a walk-in closet, oversized bath, dining, living room area with a vaulted ceiling, an office with a vaulted ceiling, and a kitchen and mudroom right off the garage that encompasses your laundry as well. Other features about this house that I love is the 2-story entry. Upstairs you have 2 large bedrooms, both have oversized closets, and there's a great storage area as well as a loft area. If you'd like to learn more or make this your next home, please reach out to us.